Okay, so the 1-3 work together part one video. We did our transactions, we recorded our transactions, and then we posted individually from our cash payments journal. Step number 2 to the work together 1-3 says that we need to prove and rule the cash payments journal, and then we're going to post the totals. So we're going to go ahead and prove and rule this journal. The date, so the last date in June is the 30th, so June 30th. We're going to put in the label of totals. We're going to add up our general debit column. Okay, we should get $932.79. Our credit is 0. We do want to put a 0 in. Just like I've said in the past, put the 0 in. If it gets rid of it, that's fine, but just be better safe than sorry. Okay. Next one is our accounts payable debit. Our total there is going to be $4,736. Easy for our purchases discount crafts, 37.92. Our frames, again, easy, 56.80. And then we need to add up our cash credit. So our total there, we should get $5,574.07. Next thing that we want to do is we want to, when they say prove and rule, we want to make sure that our debits equal credit. So let's go ahead and add up our debits. We have 932.79 plus 4,736. Okay, and then we want to add up our credits. So 37.92 plus 57.8, or 56.8, sorry, plus 5,574.07. Okay, when we do that, we do see that our debits equal credits. Okay, now we can move on to our posting. So notice that they have put these little V's, these are supposed to be little check marks underneath our general debit and credit totals because we don't post those. Those have been posted individually. Okay, we see our accounts payable debit total. We are going to post that. So we're going to go to our general ledger. We're going to find our accounts payable. Our date is the 30th. We are on CP6, Cash Payments Journal, page 6. We have a debit. We need to pay attention to our column heading. So we have a debit of $4,736. And then we need to find our new balance. Since we have a credit and then a debit, we are going to be subtracting. Okay, our new balance then for our accounts payable is going to be $11,726.27. Account number 2105 is going to go back up to the top. Okay, it looks like we're having more problems with I don't like this new program. Okay, so I'm just 2105 should go in there, but it's not allowing us to put it in there, so I'm just going to leave mine blank. Okay, purchases discount credit to crafts. So we're going to go to purchases discount crafts. The date is the 30th. We are on CP6. We are going to credit that account for 37.92. We have a credit and a credit, so we're going to add. Our balance that we get then is $1,845.51. Account number, let's see if it lets us, 5,100, and nope. Okay. Next one is going to be our purchases discount frames. The 30th, CP6. We have a credit of 56.8. Okay, 2 credits, so we're going to add together. Our new balance then is $736.23. And I'm assuming it won't let us put this one in there either. It should be $52.10. Okay, and last one, we're going to go to our cash account. My date is the 30th, CP6. We have a credit, $5,574.07. We have a debit balance, and then we're crediting that account, so we're going to be subtracting. Since my debit number is larger, I'm going to have a debit balance of $10,861.27. Account number 1105, again, will not let us put it up there. Okay, so to tell us that we're done posting, we should have this post reference column filled in, and then we should have total or account numbers written underneath our totals. Since this would not let us put in the correct amounts, I'm just going to leave it blank for right now. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and say check answer. And it won't even show us what they wanted there. Okay, so again, since they wouldn't let us put the correct thing in there, just watch for that on the application problem. If that happens again on the application problem, make sure that you let me know so that I can give you points back for that since this is wrong on the key. All right, that was the end of the 1-3 work together. So now you can go on to the 1-3 on your own and then on to your application problems.